One of the worst things, well, one thing that frustrates me the most is how dealerships will charge a customer $2,000, $3,000 for a ceramic coating, right? This customer is here obviously for the ceramic sale, but he just got it coated from the dealership. There is literally like no protection. To some, you guys will say, man, well, that's what makes us money. Yeah, but at the same time, it's like, why do dealerships do this? They charge a customer triple from what we charge, yet don't go through the proper steps to get it protected. Literally, this paint is flat. I'm just doing an iron removal right now. Look at all this purpling. So there's a lot of iron in this car. It's frustrating. In your opinion, if this vehicle was coated at a dealership, should there be this much iron contamination on the paint? I'm actually trying the Ryobi 1800. Foam's pretty good with this foam cannon. Nice and quiet. Literally pretty solid so far. And yes, the Grand Falls is still there. It's going pretty strong. I've enjoyed it. I have enjoyed the Grand Falls. So right now we're just going to do our wash mitt process with the strip wash soap, just to kind of remove whatever coating was left on this paint, which there was nothing. That's like just one of the things that frustrates me the most is that customers get taken advantage on these coating packages, and they don't even last, like literally. And if you're a potential customer maybe you're watching this video and thinking of buying a car, go buy a car, but don't get it coated through the dealership, because that coating, it's crap. And I'll tell you why it frustrates me. For one, they're gonna charge you, let's say, I think I've seen some quotes, well, not even quotes because they put it on the price tag. It's already included part of the package. I've seen one for like $3,000, guys. I was like, what? But here's the thing. If you are thinking, like I said, of getting a brand new car, and you want to get it ceramic coated, some of us detailers don't even charge you what they charge. But the difference between us and a dealership detailer: one, we care for your car; two, we love what we do; and three, we're going to go through every step in your vehicle to ensure that when we put the ceramic coating, it will bond to the metals. It's gonna literally adhere. It's going to seal for years to come. And sometimes, customers inboxes and they're like, oh my God, you're expensive. But little do they know all the process we have to go through to ensure that the coating is permanent. But anyways, good morning, guys. God bless y'all. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. I hope you guys are having a great start of your week. It's Monday. I have been busy working. I didn't do videos the last couple of days because I have been busy, busy working. But this is one that I was like, I have to do a video because it's just, it sucks. Not, not for, it sucks for the customer. I love doing this. Getting the cars right. Getting the cars looking really good. At least the glass is protected. Usually glass already come with some sort of a very solid protection on glass. If your car is protected, it should always do something like this. That's protected. That's not protected. Lately, I've enjoyed doing corrections literally with all the lights off but one. So I'm using the spotlight on here just to correct. I don't know. I think it gives a different vibe when you're doing a paint correction. If there's one polisher I recommend always is having a 3-inch polisher. This is a good old Chicago Electric from Harbor Freight. Unfortunately, they don't make these workhorses anymore, but I recommend a 3-inch polisher. It's going to be perfect for the pillars, perfect for these mirrors. It gives you just that much better correction than trying to use a 5-inch polisher. The 5-inch will do great, but the 3-inch will definitely make your job a whole lot easier. Good news. The ceramic coating is done. All I'm doing now at this point is pretty much just letting the coating cure out. And while that's going on, if you guys seen some of my videos, after I dry the car, I'm doing the door jambs with the drying towel. But I'm coming with ceramic gloss DIY, my favorite, literally. And I will spray my towel just a couple of times, and then I'll come in here to clean the door jambs really good. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna give it just a nice pop as well. Since this car is literally, it's brand new, less than 8,000 miles on it, very well maintained. It's gonna make these door jambs look really nice. I do the sides of the doors as well. The object of this is or the visual I'm going for is a brand new car, right? So I do all that really nice. After I apply, then I'll turn the towel really quick and just buff off the product. Then I as well will open the front door of the passenger side. Same thing, maybe one spray, and then I will go ahead and clean this other side nicely. I'll close the door so I can get all in between the crevices in this door. But literally, this DIY ceramic gloss has been my go-to just because of the slickness it gives and the gloss. Most importantly, it's the gloss that I like on this product. But that's pretty much it. Now I'm done with the door jambs. We're gonna clean the wheels up really nicely again, dress those, and then it'll be ready for the reveal. that concludes today's video, guys. I know it wasn't very long or a lot of tips and tricks, but really it was really more of just a small rant this morning, you know. But you know, if you have been thinking of getting a ceramic coating, right? Maybe this, if you're a potential customer that is searching for a detailer and my video popped up, you know, God bless you. But if you're purchasing a vehicle very soon, definitely, in my opinion, I'd say X out the ceramic coating. Tell them you don't want it. They'll probably say it's already installed on the vehicle. You still don't want it. Take that off, because that's a big lump sum of amount for something that it's not even a real coating. So give me an opportunity to service your car, do a ceramic coating on there, do it the right way, right? And for many detailers are probably going to wonder, like, what is the right way, right? In my opinion, or in my years of doing this, we're always going to do a strip wash. The strip wash is going to really release all the sealants, all the waxes, coatings that the paint could have, right? And then we're going to do an iron decontamination, which what that's going to do is going to start opening the pores of the paint, releasing all the iron that's within the metals. And then we are going to do a clay. We're going to do a light clay. This is a new vehicle, so we didn't need that heavy clay. So we use a clay towel, really light on the paint. Doesn't do a lot of marring, doesn't do a lot of scratches. And then we're going to do either a paint enhancement or a paint correction, right? Whatever the car needs, or what's in your, let's just say, amount, right? For this scenario, we did a good paint correction because it really had a lot of scratches, all in the, like, all over the car. So we ended up doing a really nice, solid one-step paint correction to really just bring out the color of this paint. And this paint is freaking awesome. So that's what we ended up doing, is just doing just a really good paint correction. And then obviously we did a 7-year ceramic coating on the paint. I'm really pleased with the way this paint came out. So if you're planning on purchasing a vehicle, give me an opportunity to service your car. Take a look at it, because this one, obviously, the customer had told me he had gotten it ceramic coated, but just wasn't pleased with the performance of it, and if I could take a look at it, right? So long story short, there was no protection, there was no ceramic coating on this car, even though they did charge him for the ceramic coating. But, you know, we got it looking right today. We're going to put it back into the garage, let the paint just cure out, and get ready for delivery on there. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.